Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be showing what I got. Went to our local flea market, which is called Opera's Flea Market, and I'm gonna show what I got. A couple of things. I'll just start with this. Inside the building is the guy runs pretty much a little toy store where he sells used toys. Pretty big area, all kinds. I think most of the time he does have some, usually one or two, but he had about 4 American Girl dolls, and she was 25, another one was 25, and he had 2 for 45. So, like I say, she's in pretty good shape. Here's her hair. Somebody's actually putting a little French braid. I'm just gonna leave it in that for time. It needs some brushing and wet it down and brush it. But this is Elizabeth, friend of Felicity. I think they are 700 something is the year. So this is Felicity's dress. She didn't come in her original. That a lot of times won't be an original outfit, but the dress is still pretty. It's still, I think hers was pink. So it is. And this is, look at her little shoes. These are, I'm almost certain, yeah, they're American Girl shoes. I don't know if they're hardly. That little, not in bad shape. Cute. Not sure if these shoes came with that dress or not, with Felicity's outfit or not. The shoes are cute. It looks good with it. I like it almost. Maybe it went with it. I don't know. Anyway, she's got the dress and shoes. I think this is the older. Thinking to be forever. The newer one comes in a different dress, I think. So she's not really, she's in really good shape. She's a little loose, but she's not facing, she does have pierced ears. I think I got some earrings. Anyway, this is Elizabeth Cole, that's her name. Been a while since I've read her story, but I think she's from England. She's Felicity's friend. I think they're from England, who led Felicity from Wisconsin, something like that. So there she is. She looks in the back. I thought for $25 I had to have her. I'll go up there. I'll try to get up there more. But he has all kinds of cool things. Somebody fell down. There you go. I don't. Oh, okay. And so she was 20, Elizabeth was 25, and I found another little troll baby. And after that, he was troll soft dolls, what they're called, at $20. I didn't think it was a bad price for them. In wonderful condition. So they look like, got a little so they're like on a Cabbage Patch body, and the hands are a little different. They made them more like little troll hands, but essentially they're like a little cabbage patch. One of these. And so she's a little princess, got her pink troll hair. So cute. And she's got a little princess, her little veiled hat. I don't know what you'd call that, but not a crown or whatever those are called. And her little matching red and pink dress. Got her little red hat. Got a little pink tulle. Little Velcro, so I'm not gonna change her because I don't know how this hat. Yeah, I look like it. So yeah, I just keep these in their lap bit. They're so cute. But if you had one that didn't have no, could put them in cabbage patch clothes too. Is it probably 15 inches? So cute, look at that face. I thought for $20, $25, these weren't bad. You have the little figure trolls too, for like $15. I have to, when he doesn't have any of these, get some of those. And that is so cute and soft. So cuddly, so cute. Little princess troll with pink hair. So that is everything I've got there. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, notification bell, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.